Hello and welcome back to my channel. Here is my very easy method to make beautiful personalized cupcake or cake toppers. If writing on cakes is something you struggle with or just don't find as fun and easy to do, we'll be using my marshmallow fondant recipe, which you can find on my website and on my channel here. And then I'm going to be using these alphabet embossing stamp sets from my shop. You can find these custom cutters and embossers at custombakingbyErin.com. I'll link them in the description. We have several fonts and sizes, and they're very easy and very useful for writing any names, messages, sentiments on cakes or cupcakes into fondant. Each letter and number have little handles on the back so that if there is a script-like or a cursive font, you can actually link up the letters, as you can see here, to make it look like cursive. This is our 1-inch alphabet embossing stamp set in serif font, and I'm also using a hexagon cutter, which you can find in my shop as well. Let these dry and harden overnight, and then you can either be totally done with your toppers, or you can add edible glitter. You can paint in the embossed text lines with edible paints or dusts. You can layer on more shapes or fondant pieces. Again, the decorating is totally up to you. You can even be done and just leave them embossed just how they are too. For these cupcakes, I had some leftover buttercream colors and some different pinks and purples, and I just stirred them all together to see what color I ended up with. Ended up making this really beautiful purple fuchsia color. If you're looking to try and recreate this color, I would suggest trying Chef Master Fuchsia with some Chef Master Rose Pink and see how that looks. I'm just filling a piping bag fitted with tip 1M, which is a large open star tip, and I'm going to be piping some rosette swirls on these cupcakes. To do this, start in the center, squeeze with medium pressure and anchor the buttercream to the cupcake, spiral around and the top of the cupcake is covered, then gradually release your pressure at the end. These cupcakes are marbled, vanilla, and chocolate batters flavors together. You can find all my recipes for cakes, cupcakes, buttercreams, fondant, and more on my website at customcakesandcupcakes.com. I found a cute matching sprinkle mix by Shorty Cakes and Cupcakes. It's got some unicorns and rainbows and some matching colors. And I'll also be adding a little bit of edible glitter on top to match my toppers. Then just lightly press each of your toppers onto your cupcakes to anchor them well, and that's it. Here is how they came out. These I made for each of my daughters for Daughter's Day a couple of years ago. Let me know if you use this method also, and if you have any questions. Thanks so much for watching.